أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله
Al-Majrurat. Al-Majrurat. Where and all the jar position is there? Al-Mudafu ilayhi. Al-Qur'anu Kitabullahi. The Quran is book of Allah. The Quran is Allah's book. Kitabullahi. The Quran is Allah's book. Al-Qur'anu Kitabullahi. Al-Qur'anu Kitabullah. Here, this is Mudaf. This is Mudaf, and this is Mudaf ilayhi. Mudaf ilayhi is Majrur. Al-Masbuq bi harfi jarrin, preceded by harfu jar, like this. Al-Fasl is preceded by harfu jar here. Fil firstly. Fil firstly. At-Tullab, the students are in the class. At-Tullabu fil firstly. The students are in the class. At-Tullabu fil firstly. At-Tullabu fil firstly. The students are in the class. Listen here. After harfu jar, the noun occurs. The noun occurs Kesara. It's Majrur. So, Majrurat is easy to grasp. And another thing we are going to study is at-tawabi'u, means the following ones. At-tabi'u means the follower. The follower is the noun huwa al-ismul mushariku lima qablahu fi i'rabihi mutlaqan. The follower is the noun which completely follows the previous one in its i'rab, in its i'rab, in its ending, in its ending. Wahu ala arba'ati anwa'in, and it is of 4 types: an-naat, wat-tawkid, al-atf, wal-badal. First one is naat, adjective. Tawkid means to emphasize. Al-atf means conjunction. Wal badal means substitute. An-naat. Al-marfu'u. Al-marfu' means hadara at-talibul jadidu. Did the new student attend? Hadara at-talibul jadid. Al-marfu. Hadara at-talibul jadid. Did the new student attend? Did the new student attend? Here, at-talibu is the noun and al-jadidu is the adjective. This adjective is following the noun in i'rab. Actually, it does not have its own ending. Its ending is determined by the ending of the previous word. That is, it is just following the previous word in i'rab. Means what? It is called tawabi. So, talibul jadidu, the new student, because it is marfu. File is marfu, so it is following the new is also, the adjective is also following the noun. Whereas al mansub, yatlubul mudiru talibal jadida, yatlubul mudiru talibal jadida, the principal seeks the new student. Here it is object, maful bihi. So it is mansub here. But what about this adjective? It is just following the noun because it is min at-tawabi. So it is not having its own i'rab, whereas it is following the i'rab of the previous word, ism. So not adjective is a follower. The same way majroor, hada daftaru talib al-jadidi. This is new student's notebook. See here, this is mudaf ilayhi, and mudaf ilayhi is majroor. So the adjective is also following the noun. At-tawkidu. The second one is at-tawkid. Means to stress, to emphasize. Hadara at-tullabu kulluhum. Hadara at-tullabu kulluhum. All the students attended. All the students attended. Qala li hada al-mudiru nafsuhu. Qala li hada al-mudiru nafsuhu. Here kulluhum is actually stress, emphasis, tawkid. So Hazarat Tullabu, it is fa'il. This dhamma, this rafa is followed by the tawkid. All the students attended. The same way, qala li hada al-mudiru nafsuhu. See this. Al-mudiru is fa'il. Qala al-mudiru. So there is a doubt. The principal told me. The principal told me this. Here the principal told through circulars, or told through somebody, or through his secretary. No, he himself told. So how to say that? Qala li hada al-mudiru nafsuhu. The principal himself told me this. So nafsuhu is tawkid. So tawkid is following the previous word. See, hada al-mudir. Al-mudir. Qala li hada al-mudir nafsuhu. Then it is mansub. In mansub, sa'altu. Sa'altu tullaba kullahum. I asked all the students. See, tullaba is mansub, so it is also following it. Tawkid. Sa'altul mudira nafsahu. I asked the principal himself. There may be some confusion. If I say Sa'altul mudir, means I asked the principal. Maybe I might have asked the principal's office or his assistant. But what I want to emphasize is Sa'altul mudira nafsahu. I asked the principal himself. Directly, like that. Al-majrur. Sallamtu ala tullabi kullihim. I said salam to all the students. Here, this is majrur because of ala. But why this one is majrur? It is because it is tawkid. It is tawkid of this. So ala tullabi kullihim. The same way, sallamtu ala al-mudiri nafsihi. I said salam to the principal himself. To the principal himself. Al-atfu means conjunction. The joining word. See, for example, I want to say Hamid left. Hamid and his friend left. So this was Sadiquhu. Actually, Hamidun is fa'il, and Sadiquhu is just following Hamid. Kharaja Hamidun, Kharaja Hamidun wa Sadiquhu. Hamid and his friend left. So atuf. Talab al-mudiru Hamidan wa Sadiqahu. This is mansub because it is object. The principal sought Hamid and his friend. So this is following Hamid. Atuf, conjunction, because of wow, conjunction. Aina khutubu Hamidin wa Sadiqihi. Where are Hamid's book and his friend's books? And his friend's books. So here, Hamidin is majrur because it is mudaf ilayhi of kutub. Whereas Sadiq is joined by waw, al-atuf, conjunction. The fourth category is al-badal. Al-badal. It is actually opposition. That is, it comes as a substitute. See, anajaha akhuka, anajaha akhuka. Did your brother pass in the exam? Anajaha akhuka. Someone can ask, anajaha akhuka Hashimun? Did your brother Hashim pass? Anajaha akhuka Hashimun. See, Hashim is here badal. It comes as a substitute for akhuka. The same way, this demonstrative pronoun anajaha hada means, did this one pass? Did this boy pass? Like that. Anajaha hada is enough. But here a talibu is badal. Anajaha hada talibu. It is badal. Substitute for this demonstrative pronoun. This is the way in Arabic. Al-Mansub. Arifu akhaka Hashim. I know your brother Hashim. Here Hashim is following the i'rab of akhaka. It is mansub, so it also becomes mansub. Arifu hada taliba. I know this one. I know this student. Here arifu hada. I know this. Arifu at-taliba. Arifu hada taliba. Here it is badal for this demonstrative pronoun. So here if the regular word is there, what will happen? It will be mansub. So the same way it is following it. It is following it. So at-taliba. So here it is object actually. It is object. Since it is mabni, so it is not changing. But it is in the place of nasab. Al-majrur. Aina gurfatu akhika Hashimin? Where is your brother Hashim's room? Aina gurfatu akhika Hashimin? Aina gurfatu hada talibi? Where is the room of this student? Where is the student's room? So here a talibi is not having its own i'rab, rather it is following the i'rab of hada. Since hada is mabni, it is not expressed, it is not revealed. So here it is mudaf ilayhi of gurfa. So it is majrur. So this is also majrur.